What's up, guys? Good afternoon. My name is Lusando. I'm here with my PIC, Mr. Larry. We're here at Jiu Jitsu West Mesa. Here's a couple ideas I would like to show you guys. So some of us are probably familiar with the trap or roll escape, which is what? Your hands are on my chest, right here on shoulder. You trap the wrist, trap the elbow, trap the foot, all on one side, and then from here bridge and then roll. And then from here with the club punches, control the hips, right? So on and so forth. However, though, there's always a great chance, though, that maybe someone's stronger than you, maybe a whole lot stronger. Okay. However, they might pull their arm straight back out. Exactly. So here's the thing: as they pull their arm out, slowly. Yes, I'm just gonna sit up. Yeah, just sit up with it. Look good earlier. Yes, and then use your feet pulling back down. Trap and roll. Yes. Or if they still happen to really sit back, like pull, just go with them. Just go with them. Okay. Another option too is they're blading my neck. Yes. They pull the arm out. Good. Trap the wrist. Trap the elbow. Switch my feet to the opposite side. Bridge and then roll. Boom. Control and then we go. Okay.
Nice. One more time, let me throw again. Simple trap and roll.
Yep.
Standard up and stand down low. Okay, strong guy pulls his arm out. Pull it up. Okay. Alright, so this time come up with him. Nice. Use your feet and there we go. Very nice. Okay, and this time if I cannot, I come with you, push, and on through. Excellent. And finally, come here and use your other arm.
Yep.
Tap the other side.
Nice.
Excellent.
You guys, if you got any questions, feel free to add a comment. Questions, criticisms, concerns, conspiracies. I'm here for you guys. Thank you.